Hey Greg, let's see, we recording here? Yeah. Yeah, I remember before my cataract surgery, I used to have to get my magnifying glass to look to find the stop button or to see if it was recording the seconds and minutes if I was recording. Okay, this is about just what the title says. My 2002 F-150 supercrew cab truck. Has the light gray leather seats in it. Okay, in the front, the seat backs are fine, but the bottom part, they're worn out to where they're cracked and some of the leather's torn and shit like that. So here's where I ordered a seat cover bottom. See for it right here. Alright, now this is for the driver's seat right here, as you can see. Right, shit, let me get this thing focused in here. This is for the driver's seat. I'm not sure if this is synthetic leather or what, but it's very tough stuff. It's very tough. Okay, here's the one they sent me for the passenger side. Now this one, these will both fit in this truck. They'll both fit, okay? But here's the thing about it. One design totally matches, like the last one I showed you. That, the color's right and it'll fit on the seat bottom and it'll work. But the passenger side is actually the true design. Well, look at the layers here. See, it's got like the way that it is. See, like from back to front. See, you have this part, this part, this part, and then the end part right here. Okay, that's what's in there now. And then the sides are raised up some on these, you know. This is a good design. I love the way they made it. Because look, this actually has hooks that are built onto it to where you wrap it down. See? And you've got two hooks on the inner part on each side, and then you have a hook, a long hook on the front that hooks onto the metal, and a long hook on this end, on the front. See, that folds down and hooks onto the metal. Man, that's a super design. And these seats, man, I gotta say, wow, they're very durable. They're very strong. Wow. They're very strong made. Wow. This stuff's very strong. It would definitely last a person. Okay, here's the prices I paid for these. Okay, for this one, I got them all from eBay. Okay, one was, let's see, $33 with tax and free shipping. This other one, it was $27 and with tax and free shipping. Okay. So as far as the interior on my 02 Ford truck, that'll fix it up. This will fix it up and do it to it. It will do it to it. And it's got the part where the seat belts come through, you know, and all that. Let me get this up here closer now. I'm glad that I figured this out about the lighting on my camera. You know, as they say, it's all about, in show business, it's all about the lighting and makeup. Because I noticed since I raised the lighting up, I don't look so ugly now, man. I look good in my videos now. Now I look kind of young and look great again. Hell, life plays dirty tricks. Oh my God, life does play dirty tricks. And I'm not the only one, because I'll see a lot of those videos. They just pop up on my YouTube home screen. I guess that's what you call it, where you scroll down. Oh, if there's anything here I want to watch, you know, and it's like movie stars. The way they look then and then the way they look now. And it has how they looked back in the 70s or 80s and then how they look now. So it's not just me, man, you know. It's life. It is life. Oh, man. Man, isn't life right? But those seat covers, man, that's going to look good. And they're not going to be that hard to put on there. They're not going to be that hard at all. It says you're supposed to remove the old ones before you put the new one. Why? What for? I mean, because those, I mean, the foam, it might squeeze in just a fraction more of the thickness of the new one. But why not just put those on over it? Now, where those plastic clips, 4 on the back and 1 long one on the front, okay, you figure on that. Well, what I'll have to do is get under there with my super scissors that I have, you know, for larger jobs. And I'll have to cut those plastic tabs off the ones that are on there now from the factory so that I can clip the new tabs will fit in. But hell, that's great right there. That's easy as hell to install. You know, no problem there. Oh, man. But anyway, you know, I'm going to do it to it. And then I'll use one of my other cameras to do an outside video on that, of course. But man, those are pretty durable. Pretty damn durable. You know, and stuff. Oh, boy. Yeah, I try not to show myself, you know. You know, when I make cameras, like when I'm in here, I don't like to stand up. And when I make them outside, I don't like to let myself show. Because for some reason, you know, I made a video about how ugly I am. You know, I need to get my teeth fixed. That's coming up after I get cataract surgery on my right eye the 18th of this month. You know, I already got it on the left, February 5th. You know, get all my teeth fixed. But I have, well, I've always been fucked with all my life, you know, because I'm thin, and I even have a athletic type body, you know, and I have a flat stomach, but I have, my ass is large for my proportions. It's large. I used to be fucked with where I worked at Hydro a lot, yeah. All the guys in the machine shop in the O&R building. Oh, you have an ass like a bitch, you know. Yeah, I'll bet they wish they could have done something with it, too. But, you know, that's why I try to avoid standing up, because I don't want to have to hear about it, you know. But maybe I should just quit worrying about it. But anyway, these seat covers, man, they're going to look good, you know. Once I get them on there, they're going to look great. I'll probably do it today, you know. You know, I'm pretty quick on getting things done and everything. Well, anyway, I hope y'all are all doing great, and remember, Jesus Christ is the answer, and hope y'all are doing okay. I'm just checking out this part of my arm, you know. I got stung by a couple of wasps. Make sure it's okay, or whatever. Stupid shit. But anyway, bye. Later.